Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can make a NOT gate using transistors. Let's see what is the principle of NOT gate. A NOT gate, also called an inverter, is a digital logic gate that inverts the input. If the input is low, then the output is high and vice versa. Components required to make NOT gate with transistors: breadboard, connecting wires, push button, 9-volt battery cell, BC547 transistor, and one LED. So here I will show you both circuit and the breadboard connection together. Let's connect battery and breadboard. Now let's connect transistor and breadboard. Connect one end of 10K resistor in positive rail and another end in collector of the transistor. Place the push button switch on breadboard. Now connect one end of 1K resistor to base of transistor, and another end to one pin of push button. Now connect pin 2 of push button to positive rail. Connect emitter of transistor to negative rail. Connect anode of LED to collector of transistor, and cathode of LED to blank space of breadboard. Connect cathode of LED to negative rail. When the push button switch is close, the transistor turns off. When the transistor is off, no current with flow through the emitter collector path, so current from the power supply flow through resistor to the LED. When the push button switch is on with supply of voltage, transistor turns on. When transistor turns on, the current directly flows through the emitter collector circuit to ground. Shortcut created by the ground path bypasses the output, which cause LED to turn off. Thus, when the input is low, the output is high, and when the output is high, input is low. If you have any queries, feel free to reach us in comments, and we will help you. If you want to buy any home automation products, check our website, link in description.